This power bank is incredible. This is the 25,000 milliamp hour power bank by a company called Iniu, and it has enough juice so you never have to worry about running out of power again. Just for reference, this is the S23 Ultra, which is Samsung's flagship phone this year, and this power bank will fully charge this 2.5 times. Now check this out, it's got 3 ports on it, 2 USB-C and 1 USB type A. And I love the way it's all labeled. So the first one is USB-C and it delivers a whopping 65 watts of charge. So this is what you would use to charge something like your laptop. I currently use it to charge my 16-inch M1 MacBook Pro, and this is great. This is also, if you have a look closely as well, this is the one that you would use to actually charge the power bank itself. So it's really well labeled, it's got in and out as well. The second one, the second USB-C port, delivers 30 watts of power, which is enough to fast charge your Samsung or your iPhone device. And the last one is USB type A. This delivers 22.5 watts of power, which is enough to charge your headphones, your smartwatch, and a games console like the Nintendo Switch, for example. The best thing is you can actually use all of these ports at the same time. So you can charge up to 3 devices at the same time on the go. Now that is sick. Now it doesn't stop there, because there's a couple more features that you need to know about. The first one is if you press this button right there on the side, it's actually got an LED display, which is really big and clear, and it shows you how much is left on the battery, the percentage that is left on the battery. And this is so good, because I remember it's happened to me a couple of times where I would run out the house, I'd grab a power bank, and while I'm outside I realized that actually the power bank is not charged. So this is really good. At a glance you can see it straight away. Another thing that I really love, and I've not actually seen before in any power bank, is this kickstand. You can bring out this kickstand, actually put your phone in there while it charges and enjoy a movie or enjoy some YouTube or even get some work done while your phone is charging. It also comes in a box with 2 charging cables, one USB-C to USB-C and one USB-C to USB type A. I love the attention to detail. So on the sides of each of the cables, you've got the Iniu logo here, and also the cables are just the perfect distance. So they're not long enough to cause a nuisance and get tangled in your bag, and they're not short. So it's just enough reach for you to be able to charge your phone or your device without causing a hassle. It also comes with a pouch, which actually is much more higher quality than it looks. It's really padded, and it's going to offer you a lot of protection when you kind of just chuck the power bank in your bag and head out. Power bank also feels really well made. So the type of plastic that's been used is really strong, and it feels like it's scratch proof to some extent. And it just feels really well built and rigid in your hand. And it doesn't weigh too much, so it's not going to cause a nuisance. It's not going to add a lot of weight to your backpack. Overall, this is a fantastic purchase and one that you will definitely not regret. And I don't say that lightly. You'll find the link below and in my bio. Peace.